Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 22nd of August. Taurus, I have a question. Why is it that missing kids are usually on milk cartons, but when dad goes to get milk, he never comes back? What's up with your child and the child's father? Because I don't know what's happening, but something seems weird. No, the mom is the one who carried the milk. So why is it that when dad go for milk, him never come back, but when kids missing them end up on milk cartons? What the fuck is happening to our fathers and our sons and daughters? Mom, do you want to weigh in on this? What the fuck? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Taurus, so there could be something about you're a milk carton kid. You got milk? No, sweetie, I don't have any leads to any child that has been abducted in the past 30 years. I'm getting you're an abducted child, not adopted, abducted. You see, you have to, when you have dyslexia, you mix up the B and the D, okay? Abducted, not adopted, okay? I'm getting you're abducted when you were a child from a very, very rich family. I'm getting one nurse come in there and take you. Or one woman come in there and tell the nurse, say, I need one baby. My man come from foreign, I'm a fake a pregnancy. Here is some money, go into the ward and bring one baby out. And I'm getting, you were the lucky choice for that day. I'm getting your family has never lost hope. Your family they never received a ransom note either. They just left, they're just missing. And that was it. This could also be the family got another child. And them don't know that that is not even the blood child for the mother or the father. But me getting you're a milk carton baby. Me getting your family might have had one picture of you, but it's you when you're very young. And if you know anything about newborns, them change every 2 weeks. So sometimes you can't pick up them identity. Maybe there's something about a passport. Because I always say how babies travel on passport. And then we'll have a little picture of them. It's a little passport picture, but them is a baby. By 1 month time, them look different, them grow here or something. So yeah, something about a missing child report, or me getting a child that has been abducted from a very wealthy and known family for the last 35 years, and find them. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Pictures and videos coming out first. Yeah, you might have one picture. Or where's your baby pictures? One way. We have bright future, we have phone number, and we have the lover's card. So we're dealing with a Gemini. I don't know if a Gemini is your father or something about a Gemini. Let's go. We got the Fool card, clarifying pictures and videos. So I'm getting you have pictures when you're a teenager coming up. Something about a picture of a teenager when you're a teen. Or something about pictures that are being taken of you that you don't know people have this of you. Like you never knew people take this picture of you before. We have the Lover's card. We have a Lover's card here 2 times, but it's clarifying one way. Now in this depiction, the one way would be the guy showing more effort than the girl. Whether the guy wants to lead the girl into righteousness, you said, bitch, you homeless, you said you wanted to date. I'm trying to give you a job, and you don't want a job, you just want to lay down and let me have sex with you and give you money. Yes, Adam, right? That's what the fuck it is, right? It's one way. Because I'm getting she's being very selfish. Obviously, she's being very selfish. You asked her, how can a man ask you, ma'am, take my hand? And you said no? For why? This is why the world is so suicidal. When people ask you to give me your hand, you say no. You say, let me sanitize my hand first. You say, let us stay 3 meter distance. Why you not take the man's hand? That will make a person suicide, right? Me getting the man is asking you to take him hand is one way. Me getting you feel like you show more effort than somebody. No, this could be in a relationship setting. Phone number is the World Cup. Yeah, look at that. These naked bodies everywhere. So I'm getting you try to reach out to somebody. Maybe you think someone's ignoring you. I'm getting you don't have them number. Well, the world card is clarifying phone number, so I'm getting get back in contact with this person, and then I'm going to meet up, and eventually I'm going to be hugging naked. But right now, I'm seeing you in the Garden of Eden, or something was supposed to be orchestrated, set up for you and this woman, but I'm getting she not cooperate. Why she not cooperate? Some reason she not cooperating. Phone number. Maybe she wasn't cooperating, so you decided to get another bench to actually cooperate with you. Maybe that's what it is. Or maybe this is what happened in the past. Maybe something with your mother and your father. And then your father never wanted the guy who she was with. She did meet a new guy. And I'm getting that's how you came. Bright future is the 3 of Wands. And the Lover's card is the 8 of... I'm getting a kidnap, literally. The kidnap is clarifying the lovers, and the lovers is clarifying one way. So I don't know, maybe there was a song that was written years ago and a spell was round the song, and the song said, Jamaica, I'll never leave you again. I mean it, I'll never leave you again. Jamaica, right? Jesus. Me left me pretty sunset down at Negril Bay, right? Jamaica, I never, well, you know what, someone was like, bitch, of course you're never going to leave Jamaica again, because you ain't going back. There's a one way. Them I talk about one away. Make the haters them stray. Okay, it's a fucking one way thing. Me getting your love of your life, or a Gemini, or this man kidnap you. This is what happened. Maybe somebody kidnap you for marry you. It's okay, we'll kidnap her, it's fine. I'm not going to prostitute her, I'm not going to abuse her. I just need her to realize that I'm the best option for her. So until she realizes that, we're just going to kidnap her. I'm getting get kidnapped, literally. A missing person report, trafficked. This is what the fuck it is, ho. Also, I want to add to the record before I support the reading here, even though I don't have a driver's license. Remember back in COVID time in 2020, since the government likes to pressure us, make us freak the fuck out, and then never talk about it again like it never happened. Remember in 2020 when everybody was supposed to get a COVID vaccination? No, let me just say this for the record, people. Never go to a mall, turn into a health center to get a COVID vaccine. Never you do that. That's usually the vaccines that they're testing out on the population. Go to your private doctor, or let your private doctor come to you to administer a vaccine, okay? Or you go into a clinic or a proper health institution, right? You remember when you did get the COVID injection, you remember everybody got a barcode? I know some people said them just to get the injection and walk off. I remember, teacher. I remember. Me remember, come I go Woodbine Mall. I must have that the mall name Woodbine, I remember what. I remember when you get the COVID vaccination, come I get 2, and the girls told me that I only have 1. Everybody had a barcode. And if you look on Apple setting, you can turn on a setting that says if you have been exposed to anybody who has had COVID-19, the app would alert you. So the doctors decided that they were going to inject people with vaccine and give everybody a barcode for scan. And with this barcode, it could have picked up information to other people if they did come in contact with somebody or not when it comes down to the COVID vaccination. Talking about the mark of the beast, where the barcode went, everything just left. And at the time, I remember when you're going to restaurants, you had to show restaurants the barcode and they would have scan it. And some of them would scan and it would have come back green, and when you scan it, it come back red. And the first time mine was scanned, it came back green. And then the second time when Dirty Montreal hack out my blood clot and look like them take back one of the blood clots. Because it's 2, but obviously it's 2 of me. It's 2 of fucking me, right? 1 white and 1 blood clot black. That's what the fuck it is. So, right? When they decided to take back one of the vaccine, my barcode was coming back red. Arkansas explain, government explain. You think I was a coconut who just fell out of a coconut tree? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. You think I'm a coconut who just fell out of a coconut tree? Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe that's how somebody had tabs on you. Because remember them said that it would have been the mark of the beast? Everybody was barcoded up like a fucking scanner on a checkout machine. What the fuck happened to that? I'm going to tell you what happened. Everybody was getting COVID vaccinations. They were getting COVID vaccinations with the barcode, and then the only things that were open were restaurants. Now, why the fuck were people cooking for you essential workers? Because they were trafficking girls and boys as fucking pizza using the fucking barcode where the kids and the adults them did get when it came on to get the COVID vaccination. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up so... Oh my God. This is what the fuck it is, home. What's up? Every little girl need a little love, but they're kidnapping and trying to shut them up. Yeah, you're gonna go down. The police pay is going up, up, up. I'm getting something about a kidnap, something like that. Something about pedophilia. Something about... You raise me up so I can stand on seas. Shamola. I will leave it here.